Wow, no shortage of power at all. Today's ride I'm out on the 300 again. Beautiful weather. It's the first weekend in November and the leaves have changed. The only tricky part is the leaves are covering up the trail, so it's quite difficult to judge where the holes are in the trail. But other than that, it is perfect. Because of that, at the beginning of the ride, I actually fell into a hole which was full of leaves, and the bike went forwards and completely broke the headlight. I don't know whether you can see that, but yeah, but so nice to be out in this weather. Brilliant sunshine, it's nice and cool. I think when we arrived it was 7 degrees C. We're about 1,000 meters up. Got the 300 running really nicely now. The jetting is spot on, and I did play around with the power valve a little bit, and I have it about 1.5 turns in from flush now. So in millimeters it's about 1.5 millimeters. I tried 1 millimeter in and 2 millimeters in, and I decided on 1.5 is very nice response off the bottom, nice and torquey. Yeah, all round it just feels really good. You enjoying it? It's good, yeah? It's a fantastic area to ride. So much fun coming up there. Wow. Woo! Really pleased with how the bike is performing. The main performance mods I have on it are RK TEK Head, and I have a Keihin 38 with a STIC and a FMF exhaust system. So it's a gnarly pipe, Powercore 2 silencer. What else? V-force reed valve, and that's it, and it is performing so well. Easy. That's better. Woo! Woohoo! You have to, coming out the corner, you've got to nail it.
Yeah, I was trying to get too much speed before.
No, you don't need speed before, just coming out. And just keep it open.
You get too much speed before it straightens.
Right.
You lose balance.
Yeah. You need some speed to get over that route.
Yeah.
Oops. We're back at the Widowmaker. Marcos is going to give it a go on his T300i.
He's single, so it's okay.
Looking good. Oh, goodness me. Whoa. hit the rock square, or just glanced off it. Woo! This hill probably looks completely flat on the video. It is not, especially that at the top, I don't know, 5-6 meters. Yeah, very steep, and there's that rock in the middle. He went straight over the rock this time. Ooh, 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 ooh.
No reaction.
Will it be third time lucky? Oh, oh. Yep, that was just looking still the same line, but pretty much made it up. Now he's digging a huge hole. Oops.
Nice! Yes! Yes, coming out. Lots of it.
I had a lot more speed. Woo! Oops.
And give it another go, or you can go there. Maybe. That was a good one.
Yay! Third time lucky. Yeah, I shot up that time. No messing. I should have done that the first go. Oh man. Wow. That was fun. The approach is horrible, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's all moving around.
not so bad.
It's not so bad, but 300. Wow, the vibration. It's totally different. Feels like the engine's broken. My 17 feels so smooth in comparison. Yeah, night and day difference. Wow, the vibration is, yeah. Feel it through the foot pegs. Yeah, there was a log across the trail. I got the front over it, but then it was right up against here. Woo! 楽しい!